All right, Falcon. So I've actually changed this assignment. So this is the office hours assignment for Wednesday afternoon for first and third period and Thursday afternoon for fourth through sixth. So instead of doing a scale of the solar system, we're doing this. So you're going to model how the moon gets its light. So in class on either Tuesday for first and third or Wednesday for fourth through sixth, our whole lesson is about this. And so you'll learn how it gets its light. And then this assignment, you're going to create a model and explain it. So you have a few options here. So there's two parts. Is to create a model is one. It's for 2 points. And then more importantly is your explanation for 8 points. So some resources that might help you is going back to the sim. And so I linked the sim here. And then there's an article about it here. It's a real short. So if you just need somewhere to look to kind of get ideas for what to say on your explanation, it might be a good place to start. Okay, so I like to give you options. Sometimes that confuses us. The easiest would probably be just to grab a piece of paper or your whiteboard and draw. So you're going to draw the sun and the earth and the moon and just show where the moon is getting its light. And you don't even need the earth really, but you can include the earth because a lot of times we have both. So to hand draw it on a piece of paper. You can do it with Google Slides, like use the drawing tools. The same with Google Drawings. Same with Jamboard would really only work if you have the Chromebooks that have the touch screen and the stylus so you can actually draw. So my Chromebook does, but I know not all of your Chromebook do. Okay, so to explain your model, there's a Flipgrid video. What I would like most students to do this, but I know it's not our favorite thing. If you do a Flipgrid video, I'd rather you just actually share your screen, show your model. So if you hand draw it, just have your picture on your screen, and then you don't have to show your face or anything in your home. Just explain what your model is showing us. And I would also not mind if you also showed us the screen for the sim to kind of help explain. That would be fine too. Okay. You can type your explanation here. This would be especially for those students that are going to hand draw on a paper rather than handwrite on paper, so I don't have to read your writing, especially when our pictures are not always the clearest. So you would you would type your explanation here. If you're going to do a slide, Jamboard, or Google Drawing, just make a text box on maybe a separate slide if it's in slides or somewhere in there that I have this, because your explanation again is 8 points. The model itself is only 2. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but that is the assignment.